Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SmartThings, how to add mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add your mobile phone to SmartThings, you can use it as a presence sensor for automation or as a device in your SmartThings setup. To do it, what you need to do is head over and open up your SmartThings app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the settings on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on location. Now once you're inside location, tap on manage members. Then once you're inside manage members, tap on add a member or add phone depending on the version. Then select your mobile phone, then give it a name, example John's phone, and confirm. Then present direction will now automatically update when your phone arrives or leaves your home, and you can trigger automations based on this. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.